Okay. This is a 1999 Chevy Blazer with 4.3 motor, no start but it will crank situation. I finally fixed it after a while. What was going on? Well, I said no start, but it will crank, and it was getting fire. The thing was, it was getting fire, but it was getting the wrong fire. So I checked at the coil, and then I checked at the #1 spark plug, and it's getting fire. So I thought the fire was good, but it was getting the wrong fire. The thing is, these distributor caps, they go bad, and they go bad immediately. They get moisture, they get dew, and once that happens, it will just make the car seem like it ran out of gas, or your crank sensor went bad, or your spider valves went out. It will just make the car, it will kill the car. I've never seen a mechanical distributor just immediately go bad. Okay? Normally you'll get a misfire, you'll get maybe some backfire, you get 300 codes, but yeah, it immediately went bad. I never knew of such a thing, so I was online, I did some checking, and I was like, you know what? A cap is 25 bucks, a rotor's 15 bucks, so let me go ahead and do it. And bam, the car just started right up. Well, I changed the crank too, but it still wouldn't start. But the crank sensor was only, 40, 50 bucks too. Online coded Advance, but I don't work for Advance, I'm just saying. But yeah, I was getting good fuel pressure at the fuel rail. I think I was almost getting 60. I think they say you ought to get at least 62, but I was getting 60. That was good enough for me. Yeah, and so I changed the distributor. And it starts right up. So, when you guys are out there, you're doing, I see a lot of this on YouTube. Go ahead and change that. Check the distributor. If it's new, don't worry about it. But I mean, if it's old, go ahead and change it first. You might as well change it anyway. If you're trying to get the car running, you might as well go ahead and change it anyway. I should have thought about it. Conventional wisdom told me not to. You're getting fire at #1. I didn't check timing at #1 fire. I just checked if I was getting fired. So I was getting fired. Like, hey, I'm getting spark. Hey, I'm getting gas. Hey, I'm getting a signal from the crank. So yeah, there you have it. It was the distributor 4.3 Vortec on a Chevy Blazer. Hope this helps you guys. I see a lot of you guys out there trying to make it work. Hope it helps you.